Now, the carrot is not anyone's Johnson, but I've talked about another word for something else. So I thought I'd use carrot. Is it rhymed? What do you reckon? This is where they'll go, right now he's all got his mojo up. Oh, he thinks he's all that now. Blah, blah, fucking blah. Whatever rocks their boat for the next manipulation trip, as I say. But everyone has their own opinion, even when it's a wrong one. Now, I didn't watch Sesame Street too long back in the day, but I certainly liked a few characters as they were funny, and I was older than I usually am at the age I was. So that's why the Cookie Monster related. Of course, people relate cookies to many things now, don't they? But anyway, the Cookie Monster can resonate, depends on how you want to resonate it. You want to put your words in, you want to see it the way you want to, or does it just resonate to a certain way? Have a good one, and bye bye. Cookie Monster.